Ever wondered how to find your own or someone else's Telegram user ID? Maybe you're trying to integrate with a bot, set up automation, or just curious what's behind your public username. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to locate Telegram's numeric user IDs quickly and safely using both bots and handy web tools. Alright, let's dive in right away. First, I'll show you how to find your own Telegram user ID step by step. The simplest way is to use a reliable Telegram bot. These bots are designed specifically for the job, and they're safe as long as you're using a trusted one. Start by opening Telegram. You can use the web version or the desktop app, whichever you're more comfortable with. At the top, you'll see the search bar. This is your gateway to finding almost anything in Telegram, including special bots. Type in the name of a trusted bot, like at Userinfobot or at GetItSpot. These are well known and widely used for this very purpose, so you're in good hands. Click on the bot's profile in the search results. This opens up a chat window just as if you were messaging a friend. Now look for the start button and give it a press, or if you don't see that, type the command start. Simple as that. Within seconds, the bot replies with your numeric user ID, along with a few other interesting tidbits about your account, like your public username and maybe your profile name. Why does this matter? Well, your Telegram user ID is a fixed number that identifies your account in technical systems, unlike your username, which you can change anytime you want. For things like bot integrations or analytics, your user ID is what matters, since it never changes even if you switch your display name or handle. Now, what if you want to find someone else's Telegram user ID? Maybe you're setting up a group or configuring permissions for another user. For this, you'll need their public username. That's the handle they share with others, like at Janado. Once you've got that, you can use a bot once again. Just open a chat with that Userinfobot or your preferred trusted bot and type in the command followed by their username. For example, /it at Janado. Make sure there are no typos. The bot will reply with that person's permanent numeric user ID. But let's say you're not keen on using bots. Maybe you just prefer web tools, or you're on a device where installing Telegram isn't handy. There's a solution for that too, websites like TGUser. On these sites, you simply enter the user's public username and it'll fetch their permanent user ID for you. It really is as simple as copy-paste and click. Just make sure you're using reputable sites to protect your privacy and data. A quick but important note here. Remember, user IDs are technical permanent numbers tied to your Telegram account. They don't change even if you decide to switch your username or add emojis to your profile name. Usernames, on the other hand, are like your display name, easy to share, easy to change. So anytime you're working with bots or advanced features, always rely on the user ID. And that's all it takes. Once you've got this skill down, you can move smoothly between all sorts of Telegram automations and integrations. If this tutorial helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions about anything Telegram related. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one so you can level up your tech skills every week. Thanks for watching.